I'm going to teach you how to make a propeller that looks like something like that. You're going to use this to generate electricity using a motor, but let's try to make this first. Now to make this propeller, right, you'll be given a piece of hard paper which is about approximately 10 cm by 10 cm. So the first thing we shall do is to draw lines so that it will be easier for us to fold later. You need a pen. Then what you need to do is draw a line from one corner to the other corner, diagonal lines, and then one corner from the other corner, another diagonal lines. Right? Then you have something like that. Next, using the ruler, right, you need to measure about 2 cm from the center outward. So we are going to mark 4 points from here to here 2 cm, here to here 2 cm, here to here 2 cm, and here to here 2 cm. Right, so I put my marking here at 6. So I'll mark here 8, and here 6 minus 2 will be 4. Right, can you see this 2 mark? 2 cm, 2 cm. Then after that, right, another 2 cm from 6 to 8 and 6 to 4. Right, after we have done this side, finish all our drawing, turn over the other side. We shall do the same. Draw a line, a diagonal line across the paper, 1 and 2. Right, this is to give you the center of the paper. Later we'll need to use it. So next we'll move on to make the propeller. Next, we are going to cut. You need a pair of scissors to cut from here, the end, all the way to this point that you have marked. From here, we shall cut all the way to this mark. Plus minus a little bit is okay, don't worry. Again, so together there are 4. We've cut 1. Now we are going to cut the other one. 2 more from here to here. Yeah, and the last one from here to here. Right, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, the next part we are going to, I think it's easier to explain by drawing, by writing down some numbers. So at this corner, you can start from any side. Start at this corner, you write 1. Let me put closer. So we have here 1, 2. Let's continue. 3, 4, then turn. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so now we are going to fold and stick. Now the next thing we are going to do, before we fold and stick, we will need to get ready our blue tack. You'll be given a blue tack. Let me show you. Right, you'll be given this blue tack. You're supposed to, what does a blue tack do is can stick things together. So before you start to work on this, you have to pull them first. Right, by pulling your blue tack, stretch, make it longer, make it longer. Once you can pull them to a very long length, that means it's okay. So now you break. Now after you, the stretching part is to make it more sticky actually. Hey, finally it's done. Now what you need now is only a little bit, right? A little bit like this will do, or if you want it to be slightly more, it's okay. So look at number 1, right? I need you to fold, right? Fold over here somewhere more than your center line, right? Put your blue tack, small little blue tack here, right? And then stick somewhere maybe about slightly 1 cm more, and then press it so that this paper will stay here, right? After that, take another small little piece. After we do 1, we don't do 2, we do all the odd number. So we fold 3 now, right? Put the blue tack here, then we fold, right? Another small piece. After 1, after 3, what is it? It will be 5. Then fold over, right? Then after that, another small piece. After 1, 5, 1, 3, 5, then we go for 7, and that is the last part to fold. Yeah, right? Then this is your propeller. After we have done this, turn over. Remember we have the line here, right? These 2 lines. So what we need to do is poke 1 hole right at the center, right? Now you are also given this. This is your generator. It generates electricity. It can convert kinetic energy to electrical energy coming out from here to light up your LED. So remember, make a hole at this propeller, push this through, right? I would suggest you push it all the way to the back. Remember, you still have a little bit of blue tack, right? You can put any amount now, maybe half of it, right? I need you to secure this blue tack, push it so that your propeller will rotate with this metal splinter here. Okay, once it's done, we can try and place it near a fan and see if the light lights up. Can you see the light lights up? No light. Light.